Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I'm not feeling these plaits at all. I don't think they suit me in the slightest, but they are Anna's signature look, so this is what I've gone for. Please ignore that, the state of that. I know it's a state. I have 3 homes at the moment. One of them I have had to vacate for Christmas, university, so therefore I have 3 homes worth of stuff in this one room, so it's a bit jam-packed. This video is part of a series. I have 2 other videos on Disney princess makeup and hair tutorials also up at the moment. That is Belle and Aurora. If you want to check those out, then I will put the link in the description below. Anyway, let's get into the tutorial. To prime my face, I'm going in with the ILLAMASQUA Hydra Veil Primer. Using the MAYBELLINE Fit Me Concealer to prime my eyelids. Using the palest shade in the NYX Lid Lingerie Palette to set the concealer on my eyelids. I am keeping my brow hairs in place with the MODELCO Clear Brow Gel. Before using the MAYBELLINE Fit Me Concealer to further shape my eyebrows. Blending out with a damp beauty blender. And using a thin angled brush, I am using the NYX Lid Lingerie Palette, this warm orangey brown shade, to fill in my eyebrows. I wanted to emulate the gingerness of Anna somewhat, so this was the best way to do it. Using the Beauty Bay Book of Magic palette. I wanted to represent Anna's green dress from the first movie, so I'm placing Wish all over my eyelids. There aren't any green shades in this palette, so I'm using a mixture of Manifest and Bewitched along my crease. This creates a nice ivy green shade. To blend the 2 shades in together, I am going in with Bewitched a bit more and using that over the outer half of my eyelid and along my crease. Before blending them all together. Anna's dress has details of gold, so I'm using the shade Alchemy on my finger on the inner third of my eyelids. Doing a winged liner with the Rimmel London Glam'Eyes Professional Liquid Liner. Just wiping off any fallout with a cotton pad and micellar water. Before going in with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear Foundation. Using the Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define on my under eyes and to spot conceal. I am going in with the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer to further spot conceal. Using the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder to set the rest of my face. For my under eyes, I'm going in with the shade Bewitched for the outer 2/3 of my eye. Blending the shades Bewitched and Manifest for the outer third of my eye. I wanted to incorporate more of Anna's gingerness, so I went back in with the NYX Lid Lingerie Palette using the same orangey brown shade that I used for my brows, before using the shade Alchemy to brighten the inner corner of my eyes. Using the black eyeliner pencil by Technique across my lower lashes. For an extra pop of gold, I'm using the e.l.f. Shimmering Gold just under the wing. For mascara, I'm using the Scandaleyes Volume on Demand by RIMMEL. Anna has quite a round face, so I'm not using any contour, just the Beauty Crop Stargazing Blush Duo in the shade Orion Glow. Using the L'Oreal Brow Artist to redraw on any of my beauty marks and to draw on some freckles around my nose and cheeks. For my lips, I am using the Rimmel London Oh My Gloss in the shade Snog. For my hair, I am creating a middle parting to do Anna's signature pigtails. And here is the final look. I'm not entirely sure that plaits suit me. In fact, no, they don't whatsoever. So these will be coming out. I'm not walking around all day looking like this, but I'm happy with the makeup. I think it's gone quite well, especially considering I don't actually have any green eyeshadow. I think I've pulled it off. Alright, so let me know what you guys think of this look, minus the plaits. These are not working for me at all. Stick to the makeup, stick to the makeup. Which one's your favourite Frozen? I have an unpopular opinion. Mine is the second. I think the second's far better than the first. Let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. If you guys are interested in another full look using this palette and a review, then check out this video. I will put a link in the description below. If you've enjoyed the video, then give me a thumbs up and share if you will, please, because that would help me a lot. If you've liked me, then subscribe and click that notification bell and follow me on Instagram if you fancy it. At @ispopofcolour, I will put the link in the description below. That's all from me today, guys. Bye!